Are you ready to face the unexpected without breaking the bank? In this video, we will uncover 20 essential doomsday survival gadgets that are smart, reliable, and ready for anything. From compact water filters to rugged multi-tools, these tools are designed to keep you safe and self-sufficient when you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out. This list is packed with practical, budget-friendly gear that won't let you down. Don't wait for the next emergency. Equip yourself today and stay prepared for whatever comes your way. All mentioned links in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. SOG Flint Survival Tool. Need a compact survival tool that packs big utility? This portable tool is built for adventurers who value readiness and reliability. This lightweight 4.3-inch tool slips easily into your pocket, yet delivers multiple essential functions: a fire starter for lighting fires in tough weather, a glass breaker for quick emergency escape, and a loud whistle to signal for help when it matters most. Whether you're camping, hiking, or preparing for the unexpected, this versatile tool is a true lifesaver outdoors. Number 14. The Olight Seeker 4 Pro. This high-performance flashlight is built for durability and reliability, making it perfect for outdoor adventures, emergencies, or everyday use. With a powerful 4,600 lumen brightness, it casts a beam that reaches up to 260 meters, ensuring clear visibility in any environment. Its waterproof design stands up to harsh conditions, even underwater. Featuring adjustable light modes and a rechargeable battery, it offers versatility and convenience. Constructed from durable aluminum, the flashlight is lightweight and easy to use. Its side switch and multifunctional holster provide added convenience, making it an essential tool for any adventurer or prepper. Number 13. Sportsman Series Emergency Medical Kit. Face every outdoor challenge with confidence using all-in-one emergency care companion. This kit is designed for adventurers and outdoor enthusiasts who need dependable medical support. It can handle medical needs for up to 6 people with hospital-quality supplies packed in a waterproof bag. It includes essential items for treating injuries in the wilderness, like bandages, instruments, and medications. A detachable field trauma kit allows quick access to critical supplies while out on adventures, ensuring you're always ready for emergencies. Number 12. OneTigris Backwoods Bungalow. This lightweight waterproof camping tent is made from durable 75D ripstop nylon. It's easy to set up and perfect for hiking, camping, and bushcraft. You can leave the top open for extra space or zip it up for full protection from rain or snow. The tent has mesh doors and vents for good airflow. It also includes stakes to secure it to the ground, guy lines for extra stability, and a waterproof bag for easy storage. This tent is ideal for 2 people on outdoor adventures. Number 11. Cervate Outdoor Filtration Water Bottle. This product is perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. It cleans water with a 5-stage filter that removes dirt, chlorine, heavy metals, and bad odors. It also has a compass to help you know which direction you're going. The filter can last up to 1,500 liters, replacing hundreds of plastic bottles. For the first few sips, you might notice tiny black particles. This is normal and shows the filter is working, giving you fresh, clean water every time. Number 10. Blaver Solar Power Bank Pro. This solar-powered charger keeps your devices powered wherever you go. With fast USB-C charging, it can bring your phone to 65% in just 30 minutes and can charge 3 gadgets at the same time. The long-lasting lithium-cobalt battery is compact, lightweight, and strong enough to recharge a phone multiple times or even a tablet. Its rugged, shock-resistant case with extra rubber corners protects it from drops, water, and dust. You can hang it onto your backpack for easy carry, and the built-in dual flashlights shine up to 164 feet, making it perfect for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. It also supports wireless charging for added convenience. Number 9. Insulated half-gallon water bottle with straw and carrying strap. Stay refreshed on any adventure with this insulated water bottle, designed to keep your drinks cold for up to 48 hours and hot for 24. Whether hiking, at the gym, or on the go, it's perfect for everyday use. The stylish carrier bag comes with a shoulder strap for easy carrying, plus a small pocket for your phone and a hook for your keys. Built to last, this bottle has a scratch-resistant exterior and a comfortable handle. Cleaning is effortless with the included replacement straws and brushes, and the wide mouth makes it easy to add ice and keep your bottle ready for any adventure. Number 8. Orblue 4-in-1 Camping Utensil Set. Simplify your outdoor dining with the 4-in-1 camping utensil set, designed to replace bulky or easily broken cutlery while keeping meals easy and convenient. It combines a spoon, fork, knife, and bottle opener into a single compact tool, perfect for hiking, backpacking, fishing, or camping trips. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a polished finish, the utensils resist rust and sticking, feel comfortable in hand, and are easy to clean. Lightweight and portable, they fit neatly in a backpack or pocket, ready for any adventure. Number 7. Easy and reliable fire starters for outdoor fun. These natural fire starters are perfect for lighting your grill, campfire, or barbecue with ease. Made from eco-friendly pine, they burn for up to 10 minutes and are resistant to water, so you can count on them even in wet weather. Whether you're camping, grilling, or enjoying a fire pit, these starters make lighting a fire fast and simple. And if you're feeling cold on your camping trip, they'll help you get a warm, cozy fire going in no time. With 60 pieces in each pack, you'll have enough for many outdoor activities, providing a clean, chemical-free burn for a better experience. Number 6. Virene Portable Mosquito Repeller and Nightlight. Keep mosquitoes away with this electronic repeller made from plant-based extracts. It quickly creates a 30-foot protection zone in just 10 minutes, so you can enjoy the outdoors or relax indoors without bites. Compact and rechargeable, it's easy to carry anywhere at home, in the backyard, or on camping and hiking trips. With a simple one-button operation, the fan disperses the natural essence, and the fast-charging battery provides up to 4 hours of continuous protection. It also doubles as a soft nightlight, creating a calm atmosphere, and the family-friendly refill formula is free from chemicals, offering a safe and natural way to stay mosquito-free. Number 5. Purple Dragon Camping Hatchet with Sheath. This well-made forestry axe combines style and use. Its unique cowfoot shape and strong carbon metal head make chopping and trimming easy. Handmade for strength, it delivers long-lasting power with every hit. The S-curve wood handle offers a comfortable, tight grip for better control. It also comes with rubber protective edges and a hand-sewn leather cover, making it great for outdoor use or woodworking tasks. Whether you're splitting, chopping, or trimming, this axe is a great choice for any adventurer. Number 4. Augusten Farms 200-serving emergency food supply bucket. This 30-day emergency food kit offers 200 servings of delicious, easy-to-make meals, providing over 37,000 calories to keep you energized for a month. With a variety of meals, from soups to breakfasts, just add water and enjoy a warm, satisfying meal. It's perfect for emergencies, camping, or busy days when you need a quick meal. The compact, portable pouches make it easy to take anywhere, and the comforting, tasty food helps boost your mood when you need it most. Number 3. Snake and Bee Bite Emergency First Aid Kit. Stay set for any outdoor adventure with this user-friendly bite and sting extractor kit. Perfect for hiking, camping, or fishing, it's an essential addition to your first aid kit. This straightforward tool helps extract venom from bee stings, wasp stings, and snake bites using a one-handed pump. It includes a variety of suction cups and a tourniquet to control venom spread and remove it from the skin. Compact and lightweight, it is easy to carry. Always seek medical attention after using the kit, as its effectiveness depends on the type of bite or sting. Number 2. FireGuard Heat-Resistant Gloves. Designed for ultimate protection and comfort, these fire-resistant gloves are ideal for camping. Made with premium fireproof leather and a heat-resistant cotton lining, they protect you from flames, hot coals, and sparks essential for handling fire pits, barbecues, and campfires. The gloves feature reinforced protection, and it has extended sleeves for hind protection, making them perfect for cooking or handling firewood. Enjoy reliable, breathable, and heat-resistant comfort on all your outdoor adventures. Number 1. Durable long-range walkie-talkies. These walkie-talkies help you stay connected across large areas, up to 250,000 square feet or 20 floors. They are strong, water and dust resistant, and survive accidental drops. Communication is clear with multiple channels and privacy codes. Hands-free mode and vibration alerts make them easy to use. Each set comes with 2 radios, batteries, holsters, and a charger. Now you're all set with 15 must-have survival gadgets. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome survival tips. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.